Yo, what's going on, guys? One match, bring you guys back with another video. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you some Jordan 1s. These are the Blue Toes, Rail Toes, however you want to call it. These are really popular right now. A lot of going back and forth with these shoes. But I'm going to show you the shoes and give you some insights on if you should hold them or you should sell them if you have a pair, or you should invest in them if you don't have them already. Now, these are a size 8. Let me give you all around the shoe. Got a nice soft toe box. You know, it has that original upper. The nice soft leather here. All around, it's a really nice shoe. Looks to be a summer shoe for me and for a lot of other people. But yeah, so if you guys have a pair of these, I would indeed hold them. I would not sell them. Hold them for 2 months. If you guys hold them for 2 months, or even if you guys hold them until Christmas time, these will go up in price. You will get as much money as the breads are selling for right now if you hold them and you don't wait. And if you wait. So, like I said, hold these shoes. Don't sell them right now. They're going up in price. If you sell them now, you can make your profit, but you won't make a maximum amount. So if you're in the right financial spot right now, that you have enough money to invest in these, because you don't have them yet, I would buy as many pairs as you can for around like $230 each. If you could get your hands on multiple pairs for $230, and these will be a 400 shoe, 350 to 400 shoe within 2 to 3 months. If you hold them longer, the price will only go up. They won't go down. Not possible. I'm also giving these away. This pair in my hand, size 8. All you have to do is like the video, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and comment down below done once you've done that. And once I hit 2K, I'll just be picking a winner in the comment section. Don't comment done if you haven't done it, because I could actually see in the notifications. Last time I had to pick 2 winners. The first winner didn't actually do it. He just said it. But yeah. Alright guys, see you in the next video, and peace.